month where you can start saving something in your saving pan. So your piggy bank, you can save a little cash. And the reason why it's important to save the cash is because, you know, we're not using cash much now. We use our card. So if you pull out like a £50 from your account, or if anybody give you a little gift of cash, put it into a piggy bank and save it towards purchasing like your children's Christmas presents, even your present, or maybe you're traveling for December, end of the year, you can go in your piggy bank. June is the best month to save. If you save £20, £100, you can have something by the end of the year to buy the presents for the, you know, for the family and everything like that, so that you don't need to dip in your salary at the end of November to start buying presents and things like that. So I am starting, so I hope you guys are going to start too. See, I'm going to be popping some cash inside of my saving piggy bank. Yeah, so I've got this piggy bank for quite a while now, and I save in it, I take from it, and now I'm starting again. So you guys can do it too. I hope this video will inspire somebody. Guys, see there? It can't come out so easy. To go inside of this, I have to go put it here, so I'm going to pull, and it's gonna just be too hard. So I start my journey of saving, so you can do it too. Okay guys, so I'm going to go to work now. See you later. Remember to start saving in your piggy bank for the end of try and see if I can plant something.
Two that way.
One. Thyme in mulching. Thyme. Thyme is growing. Growing. It smells so good. 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 Yeah. Oh dear. Yeah. Some sucker leaves for country. It's time. Dirt, stone. That's that. Put this in this one. Put this one there. So that's that. Start, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's try it today. So that is the garden coming little by little. You know, I'm proud of my black mint. I've got my black mint. Got my black mint there, and it's growing. Look at my thyme. What I just planted the other day. My thyme is growing. And my... What is this again? Oh, good. Thyme, rosemary. Rosemary and thyme. Rosemary is growing. I've just planted them spring onions, sweet onions. Just planted that. So yeah, guys, I dug that up and I have to plant it back because it was catching root. It's going to take a little longer to catch. So yeah, that is it really today. So I'm gonna leave my tools in here for now. Thinking that maybe I could get some dirt and throw in here so that this can grow. So I can dig up some dirt from here, so and pop in here until we get some soil, you understand? So that my parsley can grow better. So that's what I'm planning. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, put some dirt in here. That's what the parsley need, dirt. Yeah. It didn't come to me until just now. So if I put the dirt in here, I'll get parsley. See there? Yeah. So that's what I'm doing. Put dirt in there and let it grow and grow. Yeah, man. Isn't it sensible, guys? Because it's growing. That's parsley. Parsley is good to put in your meat. Use as seasoning, you know. Yeah. That's that. I don't like to peel pumpkin, guys. It hurt my hand. So I found the trick to do it like this. I'm gonna cook some pumpkin rice. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just showing you guys a little some of what I'm doing. It's after work, guys. Finish work. Yeah, finish work. I'm going to be cooking some pumpkin rice. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a minute. So, guys, I finished cutting off the skins. See it there? Brown rice. Ooh. Ooh. And that's the outcome of the dinner. Pumpkin rice and salmon and do over this eating.
Actively hungry.
I don't think they're hungry, Julia. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat some of this food now. Is my after work food. After work, so I have some. Be careful.